Okay, before going to enter the next concept, I'll revise one more problem I gave. Shall you convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction? Okay, so this is the step. So 10, 3 divided by 5. So 10 is the whole number. So what is the first step? So first step is you have to multiply this value 10 into 5 plus 3. So 10 into 5 plus 3, that you have to write in the top, and the down you have to write what number is present here, that number you have to write here again. So 10 into 5 50 plus 3 53 divided by 5. So this is that one more example from the previous concept. Okay, shall we go to the next one? Okay. Okay, first this concept I said in my previous class. Based on that problem, here I work out. Okay, so draw a number line and locates the points on them. Okay, so we have to draw a number line and locate the points. Just look at here. Just look here. One problem they given. This is a fraction, no? 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 4, 3 divided by 4, 4 divided by 4. Okay, so this numbers 1 by 2, 1 comma 1 by 4 comma 3 by 4 comma 4 by 4. This number we have to represent in the number line. In my previous class, I said what is that number line? So number line, it's a horizontal line which consists of equal space, and they gave right side positive number, left side negative number. If you are going right side means increasing, left side means decreasing. So first, how to identify this value? We can say it as off, right? 1 by 2 means off. So 4 by 4, just cancel it, approximately cancel it. 4 by 4 means 1. So this one off. So that means these all the fraction will be occur in between 0 and 1. Am I right? Because 1 by 2, 0 after only will come 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 4 means it will come before itself, right? Before 1 by 2 itself, 1 by 4 will come. So first we have to write from where we should start the number, where we should end the number. We should end the number. So for that, see the last value 4 by 4. Approximately just cancel it. Approximately it will come right. Exactly it will come 1. Some problems we can cancel it approximately. So 4, 4 if we cancel it means 1. So this is 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So every fraction will be, these given fractions will be occur in between the value of 0 and 1. So first one 0, the next one 1 by 4, right? Because first what to do? Here 4, here 4. Okay, so what is the denominator value here, the last number? So 4, right? So we have to split it as 4. Okay, here 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Okay, okay, so first one 0, next one, next line it is called 1 by 4. Okay, next line is called 2 by 4. So then why sir we have to write is 1 by 2? I will say okay, next line is 3 by 4, next line is 4 by 4. So the second one 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 only, no. So if we cancel that 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. If we cancel that number, otherwise if we simplify that number, 1 by 2 will come. Okay. Otherwise you can write 2 by 4 itself. Okay. So how to write the points in the number? So first we have to write, see here, first you have to guess from where to where the line will be there. Okay, the number. So here 1, 0 to 1. How many parts we have to split, sir? See the last number, the denominator is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 4 divided by 4. So 4 equal space. Okay. Here I put only approximately. So you have to write in equal space. So equal space. First one 0 after 1 by 4. Here 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. If we simplified that value means 1 by 2 will come. Okay. And here 4 by 4 if we simplify means it will be 1. Okay, this kind of only we have to represent the values, given values in the number line. Okay, so we will see one more problem based on that. Don't get confusion. I will explain once again. Okay. Okay, the given number is 1 divided by 8, 2 divided by 8, 3 divided by 8, 7 divided by 8. Okay, first, so from where to where, sir? Okay, 7 divided by 8, right? So the next number 8 divided by 8. Shall we call it as 1? 8 divided by 8. Okay, so 1. So this value 1 by 8. So this number will occur from 0 to 1. Exactly correct, right? So 0 to 1. So these numbers are, these fractions are, will be occur between from 0 n.1. Sir, how, sir, we can find that? Means 7 by 8. Next number, just put approximately 8 divided by 8. So 8 divided by 8 means it will be 1. So that means within that 1 only these fractions and all occurred. Okay. So here 0. So what is the next number? Before that, what should do? We have to split that number. Please split that number line into how many parts? Here what number they given? 8. So 8 equal parts we have to split. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6, okay, 7, 8. Okay. So 8 equal space. Equally you have to divide it. Okay. You have to divide. Okay. So the first number after 0, it will be 1 by 8. Second number 2 by 8. Third number 3 by 8. Next number 4 by 8. Next number 5 by 8. Next number 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8, right? Okay. Okay, what are the numbers given? First 1 by 8. So we can denote, here we can mark 1 by 8. Okay, next 2 by 8 they give. So 2 by 8 where it is? Here. 2 by 8. Next number they gave 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 where it is? Here. Next number 7 by 8. They didn't give 4 by 8. So 7 by 8 where it will be present? Here. So 7 by 8 is the answer. Okay. So the given points are marked. Now you understood? So how to solve? First, from where to where, which interval it should be, we have to find. That is the first step. Second one, what is the denominator of the last number? Okay. Otherwise, which numbers get repeated that? Okay. We can say in that manner. So that much space you have to equally split. Then after you have to denote the numbers on the number line. Okay. Understood? So based on this one, in your exercise they gave few problems, I think so. If they didn't give means I will give in the homework session. Okay. So once if I complete that concept means I will give homework, until you have to just revise these concepts. Okay. Okay, next concept is equivalent fractions, which it will be very important. Equivalent fractions. First we need to know, sir, before you said only 3 fraction types, sir. Now equivalent fraction also will come, sir. That means we can add, sir. Yes, we can add. Okay. So one more fraction also present, equivalent fraction. Okay. If you are going to a higher class means like fraction, unlike fraction, that fraction also you will study. Okay. Anyway, you have to know that equivalent fraction. So from this word equivalent, see first one, first equal, right? Equal. So equal means one value should be same as, it will be repeating same, right? Repeating. So repeating, otherwise same value gets repeated, that kind of we can take. Okay, anyway we can see that what is mean by numerator and denominator, that and all you know. So what is mean by equivalent fraction, I will say. So as we know that fraction has numerator and denominator. So if we are multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number, we will get one more number, no? So that number or that fraction is called equivalent fraction. Okay. For example, see here, I will give example, no worry. So numerator and denominator of a fraction is multiplied by the same non-zero number. Why? Because if we multiplied by the 0 means what will happen? The entire number will get 0. So multiplied any number, but you have to multiply which number you are multiplying in the numerator, same number should be multiplied in the denominator. Then only we will get equivalent fractions. Okay. So same non-zero whole number we will get equivalent fractions. Okay. So based on this one, I gave one example here. See here, The first one, find 5 equivalent fractions of the following. So they gave one fraction, so we have to find 5 equivalent fractions. So first we have to write 2 divided by 3 into 2. So 2 2s are, first we have to multiply any number, okay. So you can multiply 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, but one thing you have to know, which number you are multiplying here, same number should be multiplied here. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So 2 into 5s are 10, 3 into 5s are 15, 2 into 6 are 12, 3 into 6 are 18. Okay. So this kind of only we have to multiply. We have to multiply the same number. Okay. So next one, find the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5 with the numerator 6. So numerator 6 means it is nothing but first you have to write the number 2 by 5 and then here they said numerator should be, see, you know how to find the equivalent fraction, right? Because which number you multiplied, numerator and denominator, same number should be repeat, okay? Okay, here numerator should be, you have to change. Here what is the here the numerator 2. Here what number they gave, the new fraction numerator is 6. So which number if you multiplied means 6 will come, same number you have to multiply down. So only the possible is 3. So 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. Can you understand? Here find the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5. For this fraction, what is the equivalent fraction? That equivalent fraction, the new equivalent fraction should be, numerator should be 6. So numerator should be 6 means here I have written 6. So here I put box, the question mark indicates new number will come. So which number will come? So the only possible, from small number to big number, whenever they saying they have to find from small number to big number means we have to multiply. Okay, 2 3s are 6 because 2 is less, 6 is more. So that kind of situation they give means only the case multiplied only. So we have to multiply certain number. That number you have to multiply down also. So 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. Same way this problem also. So just look at 15 by 35 with the denominator 7. So denominator 7 means it is nothing but, what is the denominator here? 35. Here what is the number? Denominator 7. So we have to change this fraction as denominator 7. So big number to small number means division only the possible. So which number if you divide means this number will come. So see here, otherwise we can say this kind of manner. Which number if you multiplied from this to this means how many will come? 5. Okay. So 7 5s are 35, right? So same way from here to here means it will be division, right? So if we divide 35 divided by 5 means 7 5s are 35. So 15 means 15 divided by 5 means 3 5s are 15. Okay. So 3 divided by 7. So here from big number to small number means division, from small number to big number means multiplied. But only the thing which number you are multiplying or dividing, that number, that same number should be you have to use. Okay. So this is a practice question, just note it. Okay. So the next one is reduce the simplest form. So simplest form is I already said it is nothing but common number we have to divide. Okay. So first starting from 2, this number also divide by 2, this number also divide by 2. Okay. That means 24 divided by 30 will come. And again, what is the number? 24 divided by 30. So same, any other table will come, same table, same number will come, same number it will divide. So if you divide 3, here also 3, here also 3. So 8 divided by 2, 4. So this kind of same number we have to divide it means finally we cannot simplify it further. That is your answer. So reduce the simplest form. This is your simplest form. Okay. So this is the practice question. Okay. For simplify the following, same way starting from 2 or 3, 3 will not come, I think so. So starting from 2, any table you can take. Okay. If you know that what's called the large table, large number. Okay. 6 table, 6 table not 12, some other. Okay. So which table will come? Just see that. Okay. Simplified further, and you will get at last you will get one answer. That answer will not be simplified further. So that is your simplified form. Okay. So this is the today's class, students. I hope you understand. So what are the things we have seen? Conversion of fractions and the number lines and then simplified form. 3 things. Okay. So this is the today's session, students. So thank you all. So I hope you understand.